Hey guys, my name is Samir and today's video will be a little bit different. Normally on my channel I talk about make money online stuff, but today I want to warn those people who are looking for WhatsApp hacking, okay? Now, in 2019 it has become a trend, WhatsApp hack WhatsApp without somebody's phone and all that kind of thing. There are several videos outside there which talk about hacking WhatsApp hack. Okay, now these videos are okay, I don't have an issue with the videos. The problem, the big problem is in the comment section of the videos. If you just go on the comment section of the videos, you will see some people just commenting, I recommend this person, I recommend this person for your WhatsApp hacking. So basically the video is not showing you exactly how to hack WhatsApp, and which I believe it's not possible. But the comments, you will see that these people recommend you, okay? They are recommended to you, and this is what is happening. So guys, I decided to be a guinea pig so that we finish this skepticism and the skeptical part and we know the real story. Now, I know these are scammers. This will not do anything. These are just people who are commenting. But I went ahead and tried some of them. So this is what happened, guys. The same way you can see this person is being recommended. I went and tried somebody who has been recommended in several videos. His name is Ferdinand, okay? His name is Ferdinand. So you will see that many people recommend this guy. You guys really need to speak to Ferdinand. He has proven best hack around. He has got, doesn't disappoint, okay? And let me see if there's another video which will be able to get him. Now, if you even just search for him on Google, then you will see there are let me just pause this video, I don't want it to make noise. You will see that there are several places where this guy is mentioned, several what do you call this, platforms and forums and blogs and all that kind of thing. So the guy is mentioned a lot of times, okay, as a hacker, as a best hacker, and he does his job. So you know, you want to test and you want to know if it's true or it's not. And I believe you guys are there, out there, and many of you want to know if this is true or not true. So I decided to be a guinea pig, and in here also I believe there is so many places where he's mentioned. Let me just search him. Okay, control find Ferdinand. Well, the comments are loading, so maybe I'll not find them, but yeah, he's mentioned several places. If you go and look at this WhatsApp hacking videos, you will see them, and these Zeus and this all people, okay, many people are mentioned here severally, and you want to see if it is true these guys are hackers, or if these people can do anything, or they are just scamming. Okay, so guys, I went ahead and became a guinea pig for you guys. Okay, I contacted this guy called Ferdinand. We talked, and the guy is accepting money only via something called Bitcoin or iTunes credit card. You just give him a code and your credit, he has got a credit by you giving him the code. So yes, I'm talking to him. This sounds great. You can see, okay, sounds great and all that. So we quite a long conversation happened between us, and we conversed for long. Okay, we really conversed for long, and me trying to see uh, if whatever this guy is doing is genuinely serious, or how much he will go so that he can scam me. So I gave him the money, and there it is, guys. After some times, after one day, the guys, I made a very big mistake and lost the whole job. That's the reason I've not spoken with you. I'm really sure, so ashamed to tell you, man. I swear, trying to see if I can raise funds. Now this one was on 5th of March. Today we are on 12th of March. The guy is just giving me stories. Okay, so I have proven it to you. That is a scam. Okay, you can see. So we talked a lot, and he's talking about he cannot give me his phone number because of an FBI and all that bullshit. It's called bullshit. Okay, but I knew that he will scam me, but I went ahead and gave my own number so that I can test it if he will be able to hack me, just for the sake of you guys, because I've seen these videos and I've seen this many people are recommending this Ferdinand guy. Guys, believe me or not, these are just people who go on Fiverr. If you don't know Fiverr, just go on fiverr.com, and YouTube comments, you can buy thousands of YouTube comments from there with different people talking of what you want to be talked. So that's one thing. Now, then I went ahead and I came across another hacker, and he has a very good website also. So let's go and see this website. Just a moment here. It's called Cyber Help Services, and some of them they also recommend him, and the guy is called Kashmiri Cheetah, another scammer. Okay, fake testimonials, everything fake, 100%. Okay, so the guy is telling you that he will hack and all that, and then you can contact him. Now this guy is a little bit bold. He's giving you his phone number, and then he's abusing you like crazy. That's how it ends up. Okay, so that's what happens, guys. You can see. Okay, I'm not here to play. I told you before. Now you're ready. So the guy, I gave him $200. He told me $200. I gave him $200. Make 100 and get back to me. You see, now this is an extra. He's asking. See, and the guy is just did not respond. And then on WhatsApp, he's on WhatsApp. He tells you, oh, you are cheating me. You've not given me the money, and all that kind of nonsense. Okay, so guys, in short, I lost $300 just testing for you these idiots. Okay, Kashmiri Cheetah and Ferdinand. So guys, these are scammers. They are no good. They will not help you in any way. And so I believe all these mentioned people are just scammers, and this is just a cartel that this kind of thing is going on. Now the other thing is, there are very good websites here called there is something called here, there is appmsr.com review. Now this one really made me think that it is true, that this service can be worked and all that kind of thing, and I was almost about to test it, just to test it, but this one really is covered, and you think that it is also very true. The pricing is here. You can see it's $50 to hack WhatsApp, and you will see in the reviews. Now this is my review, and because I'm on my computer, it makes me think that yes, they accepted the 1-star review from me, but in an actual fact that star review is not there, and everybody else sees this one. Now I'm open on another browser. You can see. Now the funny thing about this website is this is 12th March. Come after 10 days. It will be that day with the same person being reviewing that site. So basically this is all a fake. If you contact the support, it's always on the messenger and saying this kind of thing. Again, the mode of payment is Bitcoin. Once you pay, you lose your money. So this is it, guys. Okay, there are several other sites which promise you to hack WhatsApp without looking at somebody's, without even having the phone of somebody. And there's another one here called What's Tracker. This is a completely bogus site. It's completely not even in English. Most of it is in another funny language. Anyway, the site is loading. So you can see the site is in another different language and completely uncomprehendable. And this one ended up in 13th January 2018. Now there's another funny site called Wazak, which is being also mentioned in comments. I don't know if we'll see them here. It's everywhere, guys. If you go on this thing, you will see everywhere this Wazak. Yeah, there it is. Now this is another one which is a very funny one. You go on Wazak, and before it gives you your WhatsApp messages, supposedly they will tell you that you just need to post on YouTube on this video, and the comments are ready made for you. Okay, the comments are ready made for you. You go and comment, so that now people think that it is real, and then they ask you money or other ways of just redirecting you and wasting your time. So guys, these are not worth it. Just leave them alone. It's nothing. And if this video is worth to you and has helped you and it has saved you from losing money, then share this video with your friends so that they know I have done a guinea pig for you. I've become a guinea pig. I have tested these people. They are no good. Now guys, just as a goodwill, if you wish to donate anything for me doing this and helping you, and if this has helped you, my Bitcoin number is below this video. You can send me whatever you would prefer. Otherwise, this channel is dedicated to helping people make money online, and if you are somebody who is looking to make money online, then there is a link below. You can join my training and I can help you build your financial stability online. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I'm not well, not feeling too good. That's why this video is a little bit sluggish and slow. I'm very sorry, and next time I will do a better video, and if I see some things like this, I will warn you. Thank you.